we have to find out f inverse dash of 0. How to find this? Let me show you. I hope you have understood how I have split this term. Now, what is the reason behind splitting this term this way? For that, just look at the left hand side of the equation. Welcome you all to daily practice. In this video, I will explain you solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end, and if you face any doubt, share it in the comment box or DM me on my Instagram handle. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe it and share it with your friends. Without any further delay, let's start solving this question. First of all, we will read the question. If f of x is equal to x cube plus x minus 2, find f inverse dash of 0. Means we have been given the function f of x is equal to x cube plus x minus 2. So using this function, we have to find the value of f inverse dash of 0. Now f inverse dash means derivative of inverse function. This is y is equal to f of x and its inverse function will be x is equal to f inverse of y. As this inverse function is in terms of y, then this 0 is the value of y. This entire term can be written as dx by dy at y is equal to 0. So this is the mathematical meaning of this f inverse dash of 0. I hope you have understood this. Now let us head towards solving this question. Now we have read the question and figure out what we have to find out. We have to find out f inverse dash of 0. How to find this? Let me show you. What approach you should use to solve this type of questions. To solve this, I will use theorem of derivatives of inverse function. How to use this? Let me show you. First of all, I will assume this y is equal to f of x. So let y is equal to f of x. Therefore, y will be equal to x cube plus x minus 2. Now what I will do? I will differentiate this with respect to x. Then what I will get? Dy by dx is equal to derivative of x cube will be 3x square plus derivative of x with respect to x will be 1. Derivative of minus 2 will be 0. So I have got the value of dy by dx. But we need the value of derivative of inverse function. So using theorem of derivatives of inverse function, what I will get? Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Therefore, the value of dx by dy will be equal to 1 upon dy by dx. Now we know the value of dy by dx. I will mark this as equation number 3, this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 1. So from equation number 3, I will get the value of dy by dx. So 1 upon 3x square plus 1. Therefore, dx by dy is equal to 1 upon 3x square plus 1. I will mark this as equation number 4. Now you can see that we have been asked to calculate the value of dx by dy at y is equal to 0. But you can see that in this equation number 4, there is no y term. So what we can do? We can substitute the value of y is equal to 0 in equation number 2. That is the given function. And then we can find the corresponding value of x for y is equal to 0. Now let us find the corresponding value of x for y is equal to 0 using equation number 2. Therefore, put y is equal to 0 in equation 2. I hope you have understood why we are substituting this value of y is equal to 0. Because in this equation number 4, there is no y term. So we are going to find the corresponding value of x for y is equal to 0. So I will put this y is equal to 0 in equation number 2, and then I will get 0 is equal to x cube plus x minus 2. Therefore, I will shift this 2 on left side of this equal sign. Then what I will get? X cube plus x is equal to 2. Now I will take x common from this, and then what I will get? X into x square plus 1 is equal to. Now I will split these two in this way. 1 inside the bracket 1 square plus 1. This 1 square will give me 1, and this 1 plus 1 will become 2. And when I multiply this 1 with this 2, it will give me this 2. I hope you have understood how I have split this term. Now what is the reason behind splitting this term this way? For that, just look at the left hand side of the equation. Here we have x, and then it is multiplied with x square plus 1, equating both sides. We will get x is equal to 1. The corresponding value of x is 1 for y is equal to 0. Therefore, put x is equal to 1 in equation number 4. In equation 4. Therefore, what we will get? Dx by dy at y is equal to 0 is 1 upon 3 into 1 square plus 1. Now, why I have written y is equal to 0? Because in question we have been asked to find the value of derivative of inverse function at y is equal to 0. As y is not available in the equation number 4, so we have used the given equation and find out the corresponding value of x, which is equal to 1, and then we have put this one in equation number 4. Then on solving further, we will get dx by dy at y is equal to 0 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 1 square will give me 3, and this 3 plus 1 will become 4. So 1 upon 4. In this way, derivative of inverse function at y is equal to 0 is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, I can write it in this way. F inverse dash of 0 is equal to 1 upon 4, which is our required answer, or you can say this is the final answer. In this way, we solve this type of question. I hope you have understood each and every step that I have explained you in detail. If that is the case, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it to my Instagram handle. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.